方面，方面，方面。
Aspect.
Aspect.
无论从价格方面看，还是从质量上看，这种皮包都是值得考虑的。无论从价格方面看，还是从质量上看，这种皮包都是值得考虑的。无论从价格方面看，还是从质量上看，这种皮包都是值得考虑的。
Whether in terms of price or quality, this leather bag is worth considering.
Whether in terms of price or quality, this leather bag is worth considering.
我喜欢看经济方面的新闻，因为它对我的学习很有帮助。我喜欢看经济方面的新闻，因为它对我的学习很有帮助。我喜欢看经济方面的新闻，因为它对我的学习很有帮助。
I like to watch economic news because it is very helpful for my study.
I like to watch economic news because it is very helpful for my study.
我们公司需要招聘更多关于计算机方面的人才。我们公司需要招聘更多关于计算机方面的人才。我们公司需要招聘更多关于计算机方面的人才。
Our company needs to recruit more computer talents.
Our company needs to recruit more computer talents.
要懂得如何理财，就必须学习任何关于金钱方面的知识。要懂得如何理财，就必须学习任何关于金钱方面的知识。要懂得如何理财，就必须学习任何关于金钱方面的知识。
To know how to manage money, you must learn anything about money.
To know how to manage money, you must learn anything about money.
值得，值得，值得。
Worth.
Worth.
真正的朋友永远值得我们信任。真正的朋友永远值得我们信任。真正的朋友永远值得我们信任。
True friends are always worthy of our trust.
True friends are always worthy of our trust.
他的遭遇确实值得同情。他的遭遇确实值得同情。他的遭遇确实值得同情。
Her plight is indeed worthy of sympathy.
Her plight is indeed worthy of sympathy.
我觉得他的想法值得考虑。我觉得他的想法值得考虑。我觉得他的想法值得考虑。
I think his ideas are worth considering.
I think his ideas are worth considering.
活动，活动，活动。
Activity.
Activity.
不要老待在家里，应该到外面活动活动。不要老待在家里，应该到外面活动活动。不要老待在家里，应该到外面活动活动。
Don't stay at home all the time. Go outside and do some activities.
Don't stay at home all the time. Go outside and do some activities.
走，跟我一起出去外面活动活动。走，跟我一起出去外面活动活动。走，跟我一起出去外面活动活动。
Come on, come and go out with me to do some activities.
Come on, come and go out with me to do some activities.
这家百货公司正在进行圣诞促销活动。这家百货公司正在进行圣诞促销活动。这家百货公司正在进行圣诞促销活动。
The department store is having a Christmas sale.
The department store is having a Christmas sale.
内
Within.
Within.
你们必须在规定的时间内完成任务。你们必须在规定的时间内完成任务。你们必须在规定的时间内完成任务。
You must complete the task within the specified time.
You must complete the task within the specified time.
我们将在24小时内将物品送到您要求的地点。我们将在24小时内将物品送到您要求的地点。我们将在24小时内将物品送到您要求的地点。
We will deliver the items to your requested location within 24 hours.
We will deliver the items to your requested location within 24 hours.
经常开窗通风，保持室内空气新鲜，对身体有好处。经常开窗通风，保持室内空气新鲜，对身体有好处。经常开窗通风，保持室内空气新鲜，对身体有好处。
Open windows frequently for ventilation to keep indoor air fresh, which is good for your health.
Open windows frequently for ventilation to keep indoor air fresh, which is good for your health.
免费，免费，免费。
Free of charge.
Free of charge.
超市不再提供免费塑料袋。超市不再提供免费塑料袋。超市不再提供免费塑料袋。
Supermarkets no longer provide free plastic bags.
Supermarkets no longer provide free plastic bags.
为了打消顾客的顾虑，商家提供免费试用产品。为了打消顾客的顾虑，商家提供免费试用产品。为了打消顾客的顾虑，商家提供免费试用产品。
In order to dispel customers' concerns, merchants provide free trial products.
In order to dispel customers' concerns, merchants provide free trial products.
世上没有免费的午餐。世上没有免费的午餐。世上没有免费的午餐。
There's no such thing as a free lunch.
There's no such thing as a free lunch.
修理，修理，修理。
Repair.
Repair.
我把车送去修理了。我把车送去修理了。我把车送去修理了。
I took my car in for repair.
I took my car in for a repair.
这辆车已经快10年了，不值得送去修理。这辆车已经快10年了，不值得送去修理。这辆车已经快10年了，不值得送去修理。
This car is almost 10 years old. It isn't worth having it repaired.
This car is almost 10 years old. It isn't worth having it repaired.
他答应支付所有的修理费。他答应支付所有的修理费。他答应支付所有的修理费。
He promised to pay for all repairs.
He promised to pay for all repairs.
谢谢观看。